Hi everyone, here we've got a REALME X3 SuperZoom, and let me show you how to remove and then add a Google account to this device. So first of all, we have to find and select the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom and choose users and accounts. And as you can see here, we've got our account added, so if you want to remove it, simply click on it, choose two dots icon and click on remove account. If you are ready to remove the account, click on remove account, and if you are sure, click on OK. Let's draw your unlock pattern if you have one. Wait a second. And as you can see, we've just removed the Google account from this device. In order to add account, simply click here on add account, choose obviously Google. Wait a second for checking. And here from this level you can either create account if you do not have your own, or simply type email or phone. Let me type. Okay, I've got it here. Simply click on next. Now you have to enter your password, and let me do this out of the screen. Okay. After typing your password, simply click on next. Now you have to agree with Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so click on Agree. And here you've got some info about backup and storage, so click on Accept. And as you can see, we've just added the new Google account to REALME X3 SuperZoom. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.